Hello and welcome to Smart Art class. In today's video, we'll paint these colorful trees together. So let's get started. I'm using a normal A4 size drawing sheet. Using a ruler and pencil, divide the boundary between sky and grass. Draw a horizontal line. Now draw 4 vertical lines to mark the trees. Take sky blue paint and sponge. Using this sponge, dab it into the paint and start stamping from top corner of the drawing sheet to color it into sky blue. Now using a clean sponge and green paint and using the same technique that you used for sky, start painting the grass. Once ready, your background would look like this. Now taking a bunch of Q-tips tied together, dab it in lemon yellow paint and start stamping around one of the vertical lines that you had created. Keep dabbing in the shape of a tree. Using the same paint, put a few dots on the grass to make it look like fallen leaves. Let's repeat the same procedure that we did for yellow tree for making red, orange and blue tree fur. With the help of a thin brush and black paint, trace the pencil lines that you had initially created for tree trunks. Here you go, your colorful trees painting is ready.